Welcome back students in Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes. Class 6 Geography chapter number 8 Natural Resources. Students, observe this figure given picture on the page number of 45. On that page we observe some different kinds of animals, correct? The familiar of leopard, cotton, octopus, horse, mango, flower, correct? How many of these animals or plants do you see? Do you know on that page? Yes, horse, octopus, the familiar of lizard and mango, we know here, correct? Have you, which of these things you have seen in reality? Yes, we see horse, octopus, cotton, mango in reality, correct na? Have we ever used these things or seen them being used? Some maybe they are used, correct? We use cotton, we eat mangoes, we use flowers, right? Which of our needs do some of these fulfill? These all things we get from the nature, correct? The portable use of these unused things can you think of? Students, we see many things on the earth. Some of these are quite familiar to us. However, we do not necessarily use all of them, correct? We have learned to use some of these things that are available in nature. For example, water. The natural things that man uses are called natural resources. The natural things that man uses are called natural resources. Man fulfill his needs using these natural resources. These are air, water, soil, mineral, plants and animals are all natural resources. Most of the natural resources are limited in nature, therefore they are invaluable. Some natural resources are limited in nature, because of that they are invaluable. Of this, air is such a resource that is available in plenty. The resources never depletes, however its quality can change. We need air for various purposes, right from breathing to burning. Students, observe the figure 8.2. Some of the figures man is showing doing different tasks, each of tasks related to some resources. Let us consider each of these resources. Man is seen plowing the land. The farmer plows the soil layer and makes the land cultivate. In this cultivate land, he grows various crops and fulfill his own and others' need for food. For this purpose, he uses soil that is naturally available on the land as a resources. Soil used all over the world, and therefore soil is a very important resource for agriculture. Soil is one of the important resource for agriculture. Soil formation mainly depends on the original rock, climate, organic components, slope of the land and time. According to the types of rock, climates in different regions, different types of soil are formed. A long period is required for formation of mature soil, as it is very slow process. A period of about 1,000 years may be required for development of 2.5 centimeter thick layer of soil. Formation of soil is a very long process. Because of that, 2.5 thick layer of soil to make need to thousands of years. Students, 2.5 लेंथ का थिकनेस सॉइल लेयर तैयार होने के लिए कम से कम थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर नेसेसरी है. In figure 8.3 and 8.5 show a man catching fish and another drawing water from the well. In this picture, a man is seen using the natural resources, water, for fulfill his needs. Right from time we get up in the morning, we keep on using water till we go to bed at night. Because of that, water is our life, because we cannot do any work without water. When we get up, we need water. Till when we go to bed, we require water. This shows how important water is. Natural resources, the entire living world depend on this resource. It shows how we obtain salt from the seawater in the figure number 8.9. We also obtain salt from the oceanic water. See the figure 8.6. Individuals collecting wood from the forest. Similarly, some people are shown collecting different items in the forest like honey, resin, rubber, latex, etc. in order to fulfill our need. We collect various products from plants in nature. There are various plants on land surface. Plants are broadly classified as grass, herbs, shrubs and trees. Man has successfully experimented with some grasses to obtain food grain. This helped to avoid painful wandering for gathering food. He began to live a settled life. The basin of Huang He, Sindhu, Nile and Euphrates are some of the areas where such settlements flourished in the past. We are studied in this all in 5th standard, students. Mostly the man settlements established the basin of the rivers Indus, it is known as the Sindhu river, Nile river, correct, and Harappan civilization are established in the Sindhu river basin, because when man started to farming and man's life became a settle, because man experiment with some grasses to obtain the food grain. Because of that, man's life became a settle. We obtain products like wood, rubber, resin, fruits, medicinal plants, etc. from the forest. If we consider the region from the equator to the pole as per